Under the shade of a large maple tree, a young boy sat quietly, staring at the ground. His fists were clenched, and his face burned red with anger. The wise Zen master watched him from a short distance, his eyes calm and full of compassion. After a long silence, the master slowly approached and sat beside the boy. The wind carried the sound of rustling leaves, but the boy's heart was heavy and loud with emotion. The master asked gently, "Why are you angry, my child?" The boy didn't look up. Because he insulted me," he said in a trembling voice. "He called me weak and useless in front of everyone. I wanted to shout, to hit him, to make him feel what I felt." The master smiled softly. "And did you?" The boy shook his head. "No, I walked away. But the anger, it's still burning inside me." The master nodded. Anger is like holding a burning coal in your hand and waiting to throw it at someone. But before you throw it, it burns you first. The boy was silent. He looked down at his small hands as if he could see the coal glowing between them. The master picked up a dry leaf from the ground and held it between his fingers. "Tell me, what happens when the wind blows strongly?" "It carries the leaf away," said the boy. "Exactly," said the master. "Now, imagine this leaf is your anger. When the wind of awareness blows through you, the anger cannot stay. It drifts away. But if you hold on tightly, it will crumble and turn to dust in your hand, leaving only pain." The boy frowned slightly. "But, master, how do I let the wind of awareness blow? How do I stop being angry when someone hurts me?" The master pointed toward the nearby river. "Come," he said. They walked together until they reached the water's edge. The river was calm, its surface shining like a mirror under the sun. The master handed the boy a small ball and said, "Take some water and hold it still." The boy bent down, scooped up the water, and tried to keep it still in the ball. But his hands shook slightly and the water rippled. "Do you see the reflection?" asked the master. The boy nodded. "Yes, but it's not clear." The master said, "Now wait for a moment. Let your hands become steady." After a few seconds, the water became still again, and the boy could see his reflection clearly. The master smiled. "When your mind is full of anger, it is like this shaking water. You cannot see anything clearly, not others, not yourself. But when the mind becomes still, the truth reflects perfectly. The one who insulted you is just a passing cloud. Why let a cloud disturb your sky?" The boy looked at his reflection again, feeling the words sink deep into his heart. "But master," he said softly, "sometimes I can't control it. The anger just comes." The master nodded gently. "Yes, my child, anger is a visitor. It comes uninvited. You cannot stop it from coming, but you can choose not to serve it tea." The boy blinked in surprise. "Serve it tea?" The master chuckled. "Yes, when anger comes, don't welcome it. Don't entertain it. Just observe it, like watching a storm from your window. You see it come, and you see it go. That is how you remain free." The boy thought for a moment. "So I should just watch my anger?" "Exactly," said the master. "Do not fight it. Fighting anger with anger is like adding wood to a fire. Simply watch it, breathe, and let it pass. The moment you become aware of your anger, you are no longer its prisoner." They sat by the river for a long while, listening to the gentle flow of water. The world seemed peaceful again. After some time, the master picked up a small stone and tossed it into the river. Ripples spread across the surface, slowly fading away. "Do you see, my child?" said the master. "The stone is like the insult you received. It disturbs the water for a while, but soon the surface becomes calm again. You must allow your heart to do the same. Let the ripples fade. Don't keep throwing stones." The boy smiled faintly. "I think I understand, master. But what if someone keeps trying to make me angry again and again?" The master looked at him kindly. "If a person offers you a gift and you do not accept it, to whom does the gift belong?" The boy thought for a moment and said, "To the one who offered it." The master nodded. "So it is with anger, my child. If someone throws their anger at you and you do not receive it, it remains with them. You walk away free." The boy's eyes softened. "Then I should not take their anger into my heart." "Exactly," said the master. Your peace is too precious to give away. Protect it like a sacred flame. The world will always try to blow it out. But if you guard it with awareness, it will keep burning quietly, giving light and warmth. They both sat silently, watching the golden reflection of the sunset on the river. The boy felt something inside him loosen, like a knot gently untied. After a while, he said softly, "Master, I feel lighter now. The anger, it's gone." The master smiled. "It did not leave, my child. You simply stopped feeding it." The boy looked at him with deep gratitude. "Thank you, Master. I will remember your words." The master placed his hand gently on the boy's shoulder. "Remember, peace is your true nature. Anger is just a shadow that passes. Stay in the light." As the evening breeze touched their faces, the boy gazed at the fading sky, feeling for the first time what true calmness meant. The sound of the river seemed to whisper the master's words again and again. "Don't get angry. Just stay still like the water, clear like the sky, gentle like the wind." And in that moment, the boy understood. The power to stay calm was already within him. He just had to remember not to let the world disturb his inner peace. The master rose and began to walk back toward the temple. The boy followed, his heart quiet and full, as the last rays of sunlight disappeared behind the mountains, leaving behind not anger, but serenity. This is God of Motive. Thanks for watching and stay focused.